Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. And in this video, I will share experiences about divine test which happened related to Twin Flame itself. So when I switched in industry or in my career from aviation to IT in 2017 Feb, that time I met with another masculine for whom I had intense feelings exactly as I had for Twin Flame. I have already shared this detail in my previous video. You can listen it from there. So what has happened, as I was trying to go away from this person, I was trying to remove my focus from this person, because till the time I was in office, his focus was on me and my focus was on him, wherein we both, probably he was interested but I wasn't. So because I knew that I was not over to this Twin Flame, and also I had another reason for not accepting that person, though he was such a genuine person, exact representation of divine masculine. So it's been almost more than 15 months in that company. So it was month of November 2018, wherein I went outside my office and I was on my knees, said to divine that please save this person from me. This should not happen. Actually, reason behind me saying that save this person, because I knew since beginning that my energies are different. It's not like normal energies of like other humans. So if I accept somebody in love relationship who is genuinely good, and what if I have to remove that person that I know, then I know what will happen with that person. He will not be even able to survive. So that is sort of bad karma. So I wanted to stay away from this. So and then I when I said this to divine, please save this person from me, then divine asked, why you do not want to accept this person when you dictated us your terms and conditions about marriage or about a person who you would accept. So this person matches exactly with all of your terms and conditions, which was absolutely true. So I said, first of all, I'm not over to this Twin Flame. And another thing, I will not accept anyone. I will not get into relationship, also will not get married until my career goals are being, completed. So I have shared a video in which I have clearly dictated my terms and conditions, about marriage, wherein when divine said that they have seen a life partner for myself. So divine was talking about this, and so I told my reasons for not accepting this person. Then divine said, it is your mistake, you did not tell us, when you dictated your terms and conditions, you did not say this, that you will not accept somebody or the person who matches with your terms and conditions until your career goals are finished. So I said sorry, I took my words back. So when I apologized to divine for this mistake, that I did not tell you this condition, and then divine said it was your divine test, and then I started crying and also was upset. Why did you take my divine test? Don't you believe on me? Don't you do you have a problem in trusting on me? Are you behaving like humans? I understand that humans live a fake life. They are fake, they lie all the time, even they lie to themselves. So I understand they are living in a fake sort of reality. So I can understand they have a problem in identifying the true colors of people, but you don't have any problem in identifying the true color of anyone. So do you have a problem in believing in me? Do you doubt on me? So divine said no, but then this was a test which happened to me, and then also with that Twin Flame. So he has failed that test several times and you have cleared this test. So that was the last test which happened related to this love relationship, wherein I was already thrown so many good options. When I talk about good masculines, they were genuinely good, but then I did not accept anyone, because I knew that I will not accept anyone until I am over to this Twin Flame's feeling. So when divine said that that Twin Flame has failed this test thrice, not just twice or once, I said I don't care whether he fails this test or pass, because I was never interested in him. Then so as I was angry when divine said it was my divine test, and then the moment divine said that this Twin Flame has failed this test, then I calmed down and I started listening to divine. So after this conversation with divine about this divine test, so this sort of test happened thrice as per told by divine, to me and to that Twin Flame as well, wherein I cleared all of them and this Twin Flame failed all of them. Then what I did, I knew that even though it was a divine test, but that person who is there in my company and I'm here, we both are focused on each other, and I will have to leave from this place. Otherwise I will not be able to remove my focus from this person. So then I resigned. I served the notice period of 1 month, wherein they were not ready to release me from that company. But then somehow I convinced them. Then I left, and after that I never looked back at to that person. What is he doing? How is he doing? No, because I was never interested. And apart from this, during this journey, since 2011 till 2018, I met 3 tantrics, who were in black magic practices. So as they were placed on my path, because I had so many questions and doubts about black magic, which I have already shared in my previous videos. So I remember every time, these people said, this person is under black magic influence. And so I said, why don't you remove it? I can pay for that. They said, no, we cannot remove that. You will have to bring that person here. Then only the removal of black magic can be done. But if you want, we can make you married to him by doing this, magic and all. I said, no, I do not want to get married. And this person, not at all. So there I realized, how come they are saying, once they are saying that they cannot remove this, but at the same time they can use this magic and make me married to this person. So that was something weird and fishy for me. And there, after my spiritual awakening, I realized this was my divine test itself. So how divine test happens in twin flames life, also in normal humans life. So it will be divine itself who throws all these options, from front, that, this is the option. So if somebody is offering you, saying they can, make a person, marry to you, or, put you in your life, whichever way you want, through black magic or through love spells. If you go ahead and choose those options, the same person will be, binded to you. It will be given to you, probably as a love partner or as a husband, but that person will become punishment for you. So, if you have done that, if you are trying to bind somebody spiritually or trying to force a relationship, through magic, which means you have gone through a divine test and you have failed that test. So that is the reason that most of the time I saw this, in 3 cases I remember, wherein these 3 females tried doing the same thing and they were successful. So I'll share a story. There was another girl in aviation itself, when this journey started in 2011. So this person was involved into black magic heavily, and so first relationship of her, she started using black magic, to get married to that person. She tried a lot, went to several tantrics, she herself told me, but it never worked. But then one day she said, she was visiting a temple wherein, the tantric was there. She wanted me to come along with her because, it was so far, and she requested me. So I said, okay, I was on off, I went there. There she was telling this, to get married to another person, which was not that person, with whom she did not get married. It was another person. So this person was actually, this female was, materialistic and will do anything for materialism. So she wanted to marry a rich, wealthy guy. Then she gave a picture to that tantric, that make her married to that person, and that happened. At the same time, this tantric, asked me that, about this twin flame, that you like this person and all, and he's under, this influence, and we can make you married. So this happened, that there itself. So this female got married to a rich, wealthy person by using black magic. So this was second time. So first time it did not work with first person, but second time it worked. But then later on, what has happened? As she was in communication. So after marriage, she invited me at her place. There was some sort of occasion wherein I saw her house, that, in-laws house were made as exactly like 5-star hotel. But then, and the moment I entered, she started, showing me her jewelry, and then she opened Almira, started showing me I have a lot of jewelry and all. And I was laughing from inside because I knew she wanted to marry money, not a person. Then, after 2 to 3 days, she started calling me and started crying that her in-laws, don't let her do this and that. Husband doesn't give her time. He's always busy in, work. So what is the reason of, this marriage? Then and as she was an energy vampire, she used to call me daily and kept on, wasting my energies, draining my energies, doing this drama again and again. So there I told her, you wanted to marry money. You did not want to marry man, and you cannot get married to money. That's why you had to take help of a man. There she got stopped. But then as she was energy vampire, she used to call me daily. So it was in 2019 wherein reason became of my, awakening. So there I was already disturbed. Then I was looking for an option to cut off her from my life, and I got an opportunity in 2020. So I removed her. So this was, I guess, second incident or second case in my life wherein I saw a person who has used black magic, got married, got successful, but then the same person who, she wanted to marry became a punishment for her, And then another female I met in a sports club wherein she was in 40s that time when she was talking to me. All of a sudden, she started talking. It was some sort of, I guess, spiritual topic only. And then she said, she liked a person. She did a love spell. She got married. Within 6 months, she had a baby. And after an year time, this person never spoke to her politely. Never, even don't like to even look at her. So she was feeling bad. She was in regret. So she said, that was her biggest mistake. So I was happy by listening that at least somebody I have met, who has this realization. Never use, black magic or love spells on a person. Otherwise, the same person will become a punishment for your life. You want to have a person, you can request or pray to divine, but don't become stubborn. Don't do all these things. So these are, tests. So I would not say, because you'll have to understand every situation, everything is always under the control of divine. So I have seen wherein people, claims that they were successful in doing the black magic, they got this and that. But then the same thing becomes, their punishment. So which they hide, they never tell. So this is what you have to understand. These sort of tests will happen if you are a real twin flame. This also happens in the normal human's life. Most of the time I have seen, several tarot readers are, teaching this, love spells. Lot of people listen to them. Lot of people, try to use such spell, which is the wrong thing. My duty was to give you guidance. Choice is yours. Your life, your karma. So these are my tests, which happened till 2018, I guess. And then after my awakening, a situation happened which I thought it was a test. No, it wasn't a test. But then I will share it, once I start sharing videos about after my awakening. Also, I have gone through, a lot of divine tests when it comes about finances. So as divine gave me a goal, which I was supposed to fulfill it within those, 10 years of time. So while working in a full-time job, I always used to do something, as freelancer so that I can earn money and then I can, fulfill that goal. But I was clear, I will never opt for shortcuts, no matter what. And then since 2014, I was offered back-to-back, such opportunities wherein I could make, 30 lakh to 1 crore per month. And when it was happening back-to-back, I realized how come it is happening. I have not even, applied for these positions and these things. Then after awakening, it got clear that it was my divine test. So be ready. Divine test will always happen. So choice is yours, whether you want to have things or people in your life as a gift or as a punishment. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.